Stock market this week. Brought to you by Finance Weekly. Sensex fell 2.2%, NIFTY 50 plummeted 2.7%, and Bank NIFTY plunged 2.5%. Correction of more than 2% happened in the three indices this week. Sensex and NIFTY 50 have fallen more than 7% in last 4 weeks. Bank NIFTY has eroded 5.7%. Broader market found itself more impacted by corrections witnessed this week. NIFTY Midcap 100 fell 5.7%, and NIFTY Smallcap 250 declined 7%. The two indices have fallen 8.5% and 7.8% in last 4 weeks respectively. Volatility index surged 12.2% this week. It has soared 22.3% in last 4 weeks, majorly due to corrections seen in first and fourth week of October. It was a mixed week for US and China markets. Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Hang Seng declined, but Nasdaq and CSI 300 moved up. However, it was a red week for India and Japan markets, where multiple indices fell sharply. Huge corrections were witnessed in market this week. Two key developments triggered these corrections. Weak Q2 FY2025 earnings reported by multiple companies from different sectors, and outflow of foreign institutional investor capital due to monetary and fiscal stimulus by China. Multiple firms reported weak Q2 FY2025 earnings this week. Valuations were running ahead of fundamentals for many companies. Hence, this development triggered heavy selling in market to book profits. Results announced over the weekend might impact how market opens on Monday. Outflow of foreign institutional investors' capital from equity market continued this week. Monetary and fiscal stimulus announcements by China, combined with expensive valuations in India, acted as triggers for FII capital outflow. Domestic institutional investors kept buying as FIIs continued selling. There was a net inflow of 2,889 crore rupees institutional capital in India's equity market this week. Israel launched airstrikes on Iran on Saturday, responding to missile attack by the latter on October 1st. Israel said the attacks targeted missile manufacturing facilities, missile installations, and other systems of Iran in multiple regions. A strong response from Iran can impact crude oil price, and in turn markets. In coming week, Ambuja Cement will acquire controlling stake in Orient Cement, adding 16.6 MTPA to its capacity. This will increase Adani Group's cement industry market share by 2%. HDFC will sell stake worth 10,000 crore rupees in its subsidiary HDB Financial Services during the latter's IPO. IPO will be a mix of offer for sale of 10,000 crore rupees and fresh issue worth 2,500 crore rupees. Adani Power will discuss possibility of raising up to 5,000 crore rupees via public or private placement of NCDs in its board meeting on October 28th. SBI raised 5,000 crore rupees through additional Tier 1 bonds at 7.98%. The bank had already raised 15,000 crore rupees via Tier 2 bonds in FY25 to support its deposit base, which is lagging behind its credit growth. Ashok Leyland's subsidiary, OHM Global Mobility, won an order for 500 electric buses from Metropolitan Transport Corporation in Chennai. In the aftermath of tariff hikes, BSNL has continued gaining subscribers while Jio, Airtel and Vodafone's users dwindle. Data from Telecom Regulatory Authority of India for August showed that BSNL gained 25 lakh subscribers, Jio lost 40 lakh subscribers, Airtel lost 24 lakh subscribers, and Vodafone Idea lost 19 lakh subscribers. Hyundai Motors India IPO listed this week at a discount of 1.3% on National Stock Exchange and 1.5% on Bombay Stock Exchange. It was subscribed 2.4 times during subscription window. Freshara Agro Exports IPO listed on National Stock Exchange at premium of 16.4% over its IPO price band ceiling price of 116 rupees. The SME IPO was subscribed 236.8 times during subscription window. Lakshya Powertech listed on National Stock Exchange at a premium of 90% on its IPO price band ceiling price of 180 rupees. This SME IPO was subscribed 573 times during subscription window. Waaree Energy's IPO opened for subscription this week. It was a combination of fresh issue of 3,600 crore rupees, an offer for sale of 721 crore rupees. IPO received overwhelming response and was subscribed 79.4 times. It will list on BSE and NSE on October 28. Afcons Infrastructure IPO opened for subscription on Friday. It is a combination of fresh issue of 1,250 crore rupees, an offer for sale of 4,180 crore rupees. This IPO will remain open for subscription till October 29. Market movers. Nifty 50 losers of the week. Bank Nifty losers of the week. Nifty Midcap 100 losers of the week. Nifty Smallcap 250 losers of the week. Brokerage Ratings. Q2 FY2025 Earnings Results.